As expected, following a significant decline, oil prices began to slowly but surely go up. The quotes are gaining ground again, and it looks like an oil is targeting to values posted at the beginning of this week. This growth can be attributed to the lack of real solutions regarding the shortage of energy products. At the same time, the situation with gold is rather uncertain. What strategy should traders follow in such a case? We tried to answer this question in today's video. Watch it to the end. Oil prices trimmed half of Thursday's losses. Brent crude oil futures jumped to $85.50 from $82 per barrel. However, then the benchmark bounced off and resumed its bearish run. Why? There are several reasons for such dynamics. Firstly, upside momentum has already been broken. Secondly, fundamental signals on crude stocks may result in a further increase in the volume of short positions. Therefore, the most likely scenario for Brent crude suggests a decline to $83 per barrel. As for the ruble, the Russian currency may weaken to 71.50 per dollar in the coming weeks. Notably, in October, the ruble showed strong gains and became one of the best currencies in the world. After all, the national currency added more than 3% in months. However, from a technical point of view, the dollar-ruble pair is extremely oversold, and this status could not be ignored. Speaking of gold, the situation is uncertain. This precious metal stayed at around the level of $1,800 per troy ounce. Its volatility is very low. It looks like gold is standing still. Such sluggish dynamics stem from the fact that market participants are awaiting the Fed's decision on the timing of the phase cut of the quantitative easing program. Against this background, it's not clear whether it's worth investing in this asset or not. While there is uncertainty about the Fed's decision, gold is expected to hover around the current value. However, in general, the outlook is positive and gold prices have every chance to overcome the barrier of $1,800. As you can see, investors are cautious in anticipation of the Fed's decision. Obviously, this process will continue until the middle of next week. This means volatility is likely to remain subdued. That's all for now. We wish you profitable deals and see you on our channel with a new video in a couple of hours.